In primetime news this evening, family of woman whose decomposing body was found in a pit speaks out.
Parents left in limbo as they arrived to padlocked gates at a Kingston and at a St. Andrew prep school.
And later, the political temperature is heating up. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome also to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. Now, with a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Anthony Lugg.
Well, Janella, lots of company news. JMMB Group has reported a sharp drop in profit for the year which ended March 31. And in other company news, Grace Kennedy Limited taking steps to address continued decline in profits from its money services division. The details later on in the business day.
Thank you, Log. And so is it a good day in sports? Everyone's wearing blue today except Janella. So, Renato, what's happening?
Isn't it always a good day in sports? Well, Archie, Jamaican Andre Russell back in the West Indies T20 squad ahead of the 3-game series against England. And Reggae Girls get set to face world #1 United States in friendly international on Tuesday. We'll tell you all about those and much more in Primetime Sports.
Archie, good news in cricket, because that's excellent news. Now, Romain is here, also in blue, with a preview of what's to come in the weather report.
He does not have good, but let's hear.
No, he's going to tell us about the dust, I think.
Still with us, we're still expecting this dust to linger across the area over the next couple of days, but we also have much stronger winds in the forecast for tomorrow. I'll tell you more in the weather report and forecast.
You see, Romain has a big smile whenever there's bad weather news. That's my theory. But you have to stick around for the weather report and forecast to hear more. There's also sports commentary and E-Prime later on. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, Archie, we are asking, what are your thoughts on the protest and counter-protest over the appointment of Dennis Chung as the head of the FID?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
So please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.